Priime is so easy. I know exactly what each blend does and how to apply it to get the best results.
Desde que soy mamá he procurado aprender muchas cosas y todo lo que yo pueda hacer para curar a mi hijo antes de llegar a un hospital en caso de que se ocupe, voy a hacerlo. Y los aceites son parte de esa cura, realmente.
So my daughter is pretty active and plays sports and dance, and some evenings she comes home and she is just sore and tired, and we've put the ice blend on her legs and it's really helped her to recover and be ready for the next day.
With Priime, it's not a bunch of mixing. It's just one bottle. It's that simple.
I get pretty bad recurring tension headaches, and I usually go straight for the over-counter, the medications, and my friend gave me the Escape essential oil and I tried it and it totally helped relieve the tension. I could handle my day better and I love it.
Our family loves using Priime essential oils. Anytime my little kids are getting sick, I know that I can just diffuse Century. It's a safe, chemical-free, toxin-free way to help them feel better, and our family has loved it.
My activities are pretty physically demanding, so I use Ice Blend. It keeps me moving and keeps me active.
We all have things we need to get done during the day, and it can be a little overwhelming. And after using the Calm Essential Oil Blend, I was able to relax a little bit more and get more things accomplished during my day.
For any of you on the fence about using Priime essential oils, just try them. You will see the benefits and you will love it.